Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Raluca and in this video I'm going to show you how I did this look right here. Only the eyes and the lips because I did my face so many times that I feel like it's getting repetitive at this point. So if you want to see how I do my face, you can go check out one of my older videos. For today I wanted to create a neutral look with this colorful palette, the NikkieTutorials palette in collaboration with BeautyBay. I kind of wanted to show its versatility and the fact that you can create neutral looks with it as well, although I feel like it's not intended to create neutral looks with, but you do have this option with this palette. If you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I have one eye already done because I wasn't sure where I was going with this look, so I wanted to kind of make up my mind before I came on camera and explain to you what I did. This took me less than 10 minutes, which is great because I'm kind of in a hurry. First I'm going to prime my eyelid and I'm going to use this Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer because I used it last time when I was using this palette and my eyeshadow lasted for more than 10 hours without any kind of creasing, which to me was mind-blowing. So I'm using it again. I'm just going to use my finger to blend this primer. I'm going to start with the shade 5 AM. By the way, the brush that I'm using is a Morphe 149 brush. So I'll start with my outer corner. I'm basically just stamping the color so I can get the maximum pigment. And then continuing to my crease again, stamping the shade. And I'll also apply this to my lower lash line. And I'll kind of connect it to my top part. So right now it kind of looks like a circle, let's say. With a Morphe M507 brush, this is a small pointy blending brush, I'm going to take the shade Mila to go in my crease. I'm dusting off the excess. And apply this shade above the 5 AM shade. And I'm just moving the brush left and right until these colors blend together. And as I go to my crease, I apply less pressure on the brush. Lower lash line as well. And kind of extending with whatever is left on my brush. I'm just extending the shadow. I'm taking the previous brush again and fading the edges of the 5 AM shade. I didn't apply any additional product, so it's just whatever is left on my brush. I don't put much pressure on the brush, so I'm just gently blending the color. And then take Mila again and fade these edges. Now I'll take a flat concealer brush like this and I'm going to cut the crease using the Huda Beauty concealer in the lightest shade, the 00 shade. And stamp this a little bit higher than my actual crease. I'm really focusing on creating a very sharp line, so no bumps in my crease. And next I'm going to cover the concealer with the shade Basic Truth. And again I'm just stamping the shade. I'm not going all the way up because I need a more precise brush on the upper side. This brush applies matte shades a little bit better, but it's not very precise unfortunately, so I'll switch to a flat brush like this. This one is from Morphe. And pick up the shade again and just go on the edges. Now I'm going to take these two brushes that I used in my crease, and first I'm going to take the shade Mila again to really fade the edges, and I'm kind of leaning, let's say, in like a wing liner shape, some kind. And I'll just fade this by moving the brush gently left and right. Something like this. And then I'm going to take the shade 5 AM and apply this in the same shape. So as I go to my other corner, I move a little bit upper in the crease. And again, by softly doing left and right motions, I'm going to blend this. To highlight my inner corner and my brow bone, I'm going to use a small detail brush, and I'm going to pick up the shade Ivy, which is a gorgeous highlighter for the inner corner. And stamp this, and also apply this to my brow bone. I'm going to quickly apply some false lashes off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm done with the lashes. I applied the Lush Beauty lashes in the style Chic. They are so beautiful and so flattering. Next, I'm going to do my lips. And first, I'm going to line them using a Boysenberry's pencil. This one is in the shade Butter Nude. And I'm overlining a little bit just in the center of my mouth. And on my lips today I'm going to apply the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. This one is in the shade Driver. It's a beautiful orangey shade, let's say. It's perfect for fall. It's like an orange nude. Looks kind of like a light pumpkin shade. And this is the look all complete. I hope you like how it turned out. I feel like it's very suitable for fall. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up down below, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I hope you're having an amazing day. My budgies are in the background. They are kind of chatty right now. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll see you in my next one. Bye!